Hello guys, welcome back to the House's Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily perform a soft reset in your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova earbuds. So as you can see, these are our earbuds, this is our case. Now they are turned on. To turn them off and do a soft reset, at first we need to take our case to our hands, open it, and just place our earbuds inside. Once they are inside, we have to close the case. The light should go off here and the magnet should be sticked, and after 10 to 20 seconds we need to open the case, and now our soft reset procedure should be done. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.